Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your instrument cluster in the 2022 Kia Sportage. I have in front of me here an EX Premium S all-wheel drive in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to head into the instrument cluster there. We're going to use these buttons on the right side of the steering wheel to navigate through. I like to call this one the sheet of paper button or the menu button. You have the silver up and down and the OK button. So, at the top of the screen there, right now it's giving you an estimated range on this tank of gas. And the top right is telling us that we have our lane keep assist on. And if it wasn't on, it would be gone. At the bottom left, just letting us know what gear we're in. And when we go to adjust what gear you're going to be in, it pops up there to just let you know where the gear shifter is traveling. Next to that, you have the outside temperature. And of course, if there was a little snowflake that popped up, it would let you know that it's under 4 degrees Celsius and that ice may be possible. In the bottom middle, we are in the eco mode, and that's where your drive mode would come up. And if you were in eco or sport mode, that's where it would tell you. And if it doesn't say anything, then you're just in the normal mode, so it's not making any computer adjustments. And then in the bottom right, we have our odometer. Right now we're on the fuel economy screen. So if I go ahead and pull down on the silver button here, then we can go through, we have two different trip counters, the accumulated info and the drive info. You can press and hold OK to reset them. The accumulated info will never reset unless you reset it, and the drive info will reset itself for the next drive. And then we have a digital speedometer as well. If I were to hit the sheet of paper button again, or now, it'll take us sideways to kind of like the safety screens. So this one's the lane keep assist information. We also have our driver attention warning system and the TPMS sensors or tire pressure monitoring system that'll let you know if a wheel gets low so you can top it up. I'm gonna hit the sheet of paper button again. Then this takes us into the smaller settings for the rest of the vehicle. So under driver assistance is where you can adjust any of your safety features. Under door, you'd be able to turn on and off your smart trunk if you have the power lift gate. Through your lights, you have other sound options, some convenience options. You can put in your oil change reminder if you want, or another. You can change a lot of your units like the outside temperature or your tire pressure. I'm going to hit the sheet of paper button again, and then in the Sportage, the traction control button used to be over here in this cluster of buttons, but now they've put it in the instrument panel. So you have the ability to turn off the electronic stability control or the traction control system from this screen. And if I hit the sheet of paper button, it takes us back to the other side, and it's up to you what screen you want to keep it on while you're driving. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you're enjoying our content. Also, all of our social media links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.